wouldn't want to dig into this? Today we're going to make these ultimate nachos. I'm Nikki and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. As you know, everything I like to make is all about the presentation. So today we're gonna make these nachos. We're gonna use a Lazy Susan, fun, interactive way to serve these nachos for your guests on a fun table, and I'm gonna make this for our next party. So I have this Lazy Susan here, and I've cut an piece of aluminum foil. I'm just gonna put that down onto the wood, and then some store-bought tortilla chips. Make this an entire big nacho platter. So all winter long, I made all these different fun charcuterie boards. So now let's make a nacho board. So I used here about 1.5 bags of nachos. We put those down. And next, you can use ground beef, but I like to use pulled pork, and you could also use pulled chicken. So I just use my favorite store-bought pulled pork. And put this around the nachos. And for this, I'm using about 1 pound of pulled pork. Next, cheese sauce. So I've melted some white cheddar cheese. That's my favorite. You could use queso or some other kind of cheese sauce as well, but I'm gonna grab that white cheddar. So our white cheddar, pour this around all our nachos. This is why we put the aluminum foil down first. Get all, look at this. Yum, yum, yum. Perfect for Sunday football days. You can make this, put it right in the middle of your table. So we have our cheese. Next, we're gonna put some pico. So onion, tomato, put the salt down. Look at that, yum. You wanna make sure you get it evenly all over these nachos. And I'm using about 2 cups of pico for this one. And I used about 2 cups of the white cheddar as well. Next, we're gonna put 2 cups of black beans. I'm gonna sprinkle these. Adds tons of color to this. It's all right, we're losing a few over there, but we'll clean that up after. There we go. Next, guacamole. So for the guac, I'm just gonna use, you can use a smaller ice cream scoop if you have, and I'm just gonna kind of place that around a little, all around the different sides of the nachos, so that people can dip into them. This is about 1 cup of guacamole. Put that there. Next, I have jalapeno peppers. I sliced them up. We're gonna put those around. Wow, this is looking fabulous. Put those. Perfect. And last but not least, we're gonna put in our sour cream. So I always think about serving this nice and aesthetically pleasing. So I put some sour cream in a squirt bottle with a little bit of milk just to thin it out so that I can evenly distribute this nicely on top of our nachos. So. And these nachos are ready. It's party time. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.